Hello and welcome to Wittgenstein Aficionados. If you're tired of only having quote-level knowledge of philosophers, this channel is for you. Here you get the means to get a full understanding of Wittgenstein's incredible philosophy. Today we're looking into paragraph 3. It will be a quick look, because there's not that much to look at. It does, however, contain a very critically accurate analogy of the Augustinian view of language. And providing critically accurate counterexamples is something Wittgenstein had a talent for, and PI is generously seasoned with them. I would not be surprised if one of Wittgenstein's favorite things to do in life was actually to come up with the best critical analogies he could muster. As you can see from the Hacker and Baker diagram, paragraph 3 is a dead end in terms of pushing the core arguments of the book forward. But that's not to say they're not worth your time. They showcase a lot of ingenuity and are pleasant to read. Let's get started with the walkthrough. Paragraph 1 starts with the concession that the Augustinian description of language does describe a system of communication, only that this system is not all that we call language. Wittgenstein has been all over the place in his attitude towards the Augustinian description since paragraph 1. Sometimes he thinks it does a good job as a scapegoat for a plausible picture of language that is shared among most people who don't ponder too much about the mechanics of language, as well as certain philosophers. At other times, he scoffs at it for purporting to explain more than it actually does. In paragraph 2, he said that it is apt for something but not everything. This is the same attitude he has in this paragraph. And like paragraph 2, he keeps saying that it is only right for something without showing us why it is not right for everything. And we're not gonna get any indication of why until paragraph 6. Wittgenstein continues by saying that if asked, will that description do or not, one feels pressed to answer yes, but only for a narrowly circumscribed area, not of the whole you were purporting to describe. And here comes the analogy. It is as if someone were to say playing a game consists in moving objects about on a surface according to certain rules. And we replied, you seem to be thinking about board games, but they're not all the games there are. You can rectify your explanation by explicitly restricting it to those games. So apparently Augustine should rectify his explanation that words are sounds that signify objects by restricting this description to a smaller region of language. Cliffhanger. That's all of paragraph 3 for you. Paragraph 4 is also another critical analogy of Augustine's view. It contains a bit more meat, however, than this paragraph, but it's also harder to wrap your head around. Also, if it does not make sense to you that a traffic sign is as much a part of language as any word, such as cheese, then you should watch it.
If this video was educational to you, feel free to rate, comment, subscribe, and do ask questions in the comment area if you have any, as I will be compiling them and hopefully answering them at some point in the future. Bye for now.